all of the crises that we go through are completely natural and universal, whether in dynamics with family, relationships, with the world, with society. It is completely natural. And you can see that when you observe people, which is something that I love to do. I love to look at people's stories. I love to listen to their stories because you're going to see these universal patterns. And this is not something that I have discovered. Archetypes are references to the universal human experience. It's common to all of humanity. We all have issues of family, of relationships, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so this is why it is so interesting to look at the birth chart from that perspective, because it's more a point of view that is more natural. And to me, that really helped me when I really understood how to look at things from that perspective. And this is my archetype. This is the universal archetype that I have a lot of, which is Pisces, which is the dreamer, as I call it. We start to look at our own human experience and at other people's human experience, and we find commonality. There are other aspects to this archetype, but the point is that we start to take some distance. And now it's not like we are doomed. We are part of the human experience. We are part of humanity. So now we can make some decisions.